That's done. That's not what we care about, because this isn't a drift car. It's just a little shitty econo box. This is what you're here for, and I thought, you know, it's a short little video. I could add some content, so what I'm gonna do is design a bracket for this. So yeah, also I don't know if, look, I am gonna 3D print a thing to hold this, like, you know, something circular with a little clasp end or something that maybe goes over this so it can't move forward and back. But the only thing besides that is where to put it. So I'm thinking like right here. No, I don't want to put it on the rails because we'll eventually like weld some tubes in here. I don't want to put that on there. What about in here? That's too far away. Maybe like right here? Should I just do it like right here somewhere? I think right here is probably the best spot. And then, yeah, probably not like that, but like this. Just like put it right there. That'll be donezo. I don't know, I'll figure something out. But right now, let's go design this piece. Alright, so we're here in my basement, aka my office. So this is Maya, and this is what I use to model all my stuff. All I really use is some calipers, some digital calipers. And that's literally all you need. So this piece is pretty simple, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a bracket that goes around this and then follows this shape here. See how it gets wider? So I'm going to have it wrap around that shape so that this thing can't move side to side, so we don't have to like crank it down and super tight or anything. So let's get started on that. So the first dimension I'm going to use is, so this is 55.3 millimeters, and I work in metric because it's completely superior in every way. So 55.3 millimeters, and a radius is 27.6 should be enough. 45 millimeters. Next dimension is, that's 59.5. This little lip here, that's about 5 millimeters long. So I'm gonna extrude this 5 millimeters up, and then just gonna have to eyeball that because this isn't a CAD program, so I have to do measurements and stuff. So now we're at 60, perfect. So yeah, once you do this a lot, you start to get the hang of it. Pretty good at eyeballing things. And then we extrude again, 8 mil. So 8 millimeters. And then we extrude outwards again, 70.7. Yeah, that's 71. I want some leeway here, so 71 should be good. 5 millimeters thick. So 5 millimeters thick. And then we can just bring it down a little bit. So the thing about 3D printing is you always got to be thinking about how you're going to print it, so you can't just model things. however you want, because they still have to be printable. Like overhangs, very steep overhangs, you have to have support material. But things like a circle diameter, a 3D printer can print pretty easily without any issues. So the way this will be printed is, if you imagine, you know, the bottom is the floor. I'm thinking I'll print it like this, and I shouldn't have any issues with all these, with this radius here, hopefully. Okay, actually I don't need this. I'll just duplicate this, flip it on the Z-axis. This one will be printed upside down because I want the bottom of this to attach to some metal. Just take the whole thing and flatten it. Just do that. Too much material. Why don't I just put a holster in? Holes can print just fine. So they interrupted us. Let's keep going. Okay, mesh, clean up. There we go. Save our file so that we don't lose anything. Let's see. Okay, now we can make the mounting points. I do a long screw all the way through, I won't need to do any sort of metal bracketry. I can just have a long screw go through, nuts on the other side. Shrink these down. You don't need all that material sticking out. Okay. I think that will work well. Let's just measure that. That is 85 millimeters wide. So we'll take the calipers and let's go take a look if we have enough room. Okay, here we go. Let's see, 85 mil. Oh shit, I need a flashlight. So, 85 mil is about that wide. So, it will just barely fit here. This is more than 85, but then the filter is gonna be kind of diagonal. Maybe I should just mount it here. it's too thin. Okay, I'll shrink it down a little bit, but I think I can squeeze a couple mil out of it. Alright, so we're back. Saw that 85 is a little wide, so we can try to bring this in a little. We have some material to go through here. We have plenty of material to go through here. Except we don't have much in this guy. That's okay. So we can bring it in like that. First save, because mesh cleanup tends to crash things a lot. Let's first save on the, yeah, another iteration, mesh, cleanup, cool. This looks good. Export selection, print files folder. Let's open matter control, which is my slicing software. And it looks like the camera's about to overheat, and it's not gonna let me record anymore. Start preheating. Turn my printer on. There we go. Blue should be good. Actually, no, we're gonna switch to white. Because I have a shit ton of white. as you can see, this turned out pretty cool. And next video we'll probably be putting it in the car. Still gotta figure out where to put it though. That's the last thing to figure out. And get some bolts for it. Like I was saying, the overhang's printed fine. It does look ugly in there, but I think it's fine, and it's definitely rigid enough because of this edge that I added that holds the whole thing in place. Everything fits perfectly. This piece turned out awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you guys like this type of technical or different content, and let me know if you want more of it, because I will be designing more parts for this car, including maybe even aero. So let me know if you like it. Later.